The sky, vast and silent, has long been both a stage for power and a space for tragedy. On what was meant to be a routine operation, a moment turned catastrophic as the United States Air Force B-52 Stratofortress, one of the most iconic aircraft in military history, crashed shortly after takeoff, shaking confidence in a machine that has served the nation for over 6 decades. The incident, which took place near an American military installation, unfolded in a matter of minutes. The aircraft lifted off the ground, gained altitude, and then, without warning, began to disintegrate mid-air. Emergency systems were activated, and the aircrew managed to eject, surviving a disaster that could have been far worse. The B-52, known for its distinctive design and deep, thunderous engine roar, has been a symbol of strategic deterrence and aerial dominance since the 1950s. Capable of carrying nuclear and conventional weapons over intercontinental distances, the Stratofortress has participated in nearly every major American conflict since the Cold War, but even legends have limits. While the aircraft has received multiple upgrades in avionics, engines, and radar systems, much of its airframe and structure remains original, built in an era when black and white television was cutting edge. The cost of flying a 70-year-old bomber is not just measured in dollars, it's measured in risk. Aviation experts have long cautioned that metal fatigue, extreme stress from decades of flight, and repeated cycles of deployment can eventually push even the most durable aircraft to failure. The crash has intensified scrutiny on the U.S. military's continued reliance on aging platforms, especially as new threats and faster technology redefine modern warfare. For all its achievements, the B-52's time in the sky may be nearing its end. Following the crash, the U.S. Air Force has launched an extensive investigation to determine what went wrong. Until the flight recorders are analyzed and maintenance records reviewed, speculation remains. Was it an isolated mechanical issue? Or part of a broader problem linked to the long-term wear and tear of aircraft designed for another century? The answers will matter not only for the future of the B-52 fleet but also for broader decisions on defense strategy and resource allocation. What cannot be overlooked is the professionalism of the crew. In the face of a rapidly failing aircraft, their calm response and adherence to emergency procedures saved lives. This is a reminder that while machines may fail, the training and discipline of those who fly them often make the difference between tragedy and survival. In the aftermath, images of smoke rising from the crash site and fragments of the aircraft scattered across the Earth serve as a somber counterpoint to the power the B-52 once projected. It is a visual metaphor for a legacy under stress, and a stark call for reflection. As America continues to fly missions around the world and maintain global reach, this incident may be a turning point. The question is no longer just how long the B-52 can keep flying, but how long it should. The B-52 eventually impacts the ocean at a steep angle at 9:55, 5 minutes before it was scheduled to fly over the parade.
The Accident Investigation Board president found by clear and convincing evidence that the cause of this mishap was a mispositioning of the stabilizer trim, stab trim, mechanism.
The investigation board felt that the most likely cause of this runaway stabilizer trim was a system malfunction that would have led the stabilizer trim to improperly run in a nose-down direction. The crew consists of Captain Mark Tyler Voss, age 27 pilot. The crew consists of Captain Victoria Pinkney, age 27 pilot. The crew consists of Technical Sergeant Herman Naki III, age 30 boom operation. The crew flies their planned route of flight, except for a 1-mile deviation off course en route to waypoint DW to avoid cloud buildups.